We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Whoops. What's going on, guys? Dwayne here, and welcome in to Gibson's Beard Adventures. If this is your first time here and you're looking for beard product reviews, beard care, or other beard related topics, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'd surely appreciate it, and then hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. Alright guys, I got an unboxing for y'all. The first one here that we'll do, hold on a second. First one we'll open up is from Honyocker Beard Company out of Illinois. So let's check this out right fast. I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. Hey, y'all like my background and everything? Looks pretty cool, don't it? Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Checking that package there. So, I think this is the invoice. Yep, that is the invoice. Don't need that. I didn't see no writing on it. I hope there wasn't no writing on it. I'll check that in a minute. Alright, and then my order. That's pretty cool. I love the satchel. That is awesome. Nice little satchel here. And the balm here. So let's go ahead and look what's in the satchel. Ooh, let's see here. Pull out here. Hey, that's pretty cool. It says, Dwayne, buddy, thank you for the order and support. Honored to have you on board. Adam. Adam, I've been waiting a little bit to be able to buy your stuff, but I'm glad I'm able to now. Awesome. That is a pretty cool sticker. That is an awesome sticker. I'm going to have to find a place for that one. And then, of course, the business card. And then my oil that I ordered. But it looks like I got a couple of samples here. That is awesome. Thank you. Memoirs and the humidor. Awesome. I was kind of deciding between some of those. Thank you. Thank you, Adam. All right. So first things first, let's take a look at the oil. Go ahead and just tear into it. Get it on out of here. All right. Nice. Look at that labeling, y'all. Isn't that awesome? Body Language is the scent I ordered. Alright, looks like it's got everything on there. Go ahead, I'll give the ingredients off for you for the oil. We got jojoba, sweet almond, avocado, argan, castor, vitamin E, and essential oils. So, looks like a pretty good carrier blend there. We'll take a look at the balm right fast. Oh, cool. That is awesome. And that, yeah, it's a sticker. And then everything here on the back. And that's pretty cool. It's got the 12-month logo on there for the expiration stuff. Nice white balm there. All right, let's give this a sniff. I don't want to give too much details because I want y'all to watch the review. Ooh. I have no idea what that is. I don't remember the scent profile. That's nice. It's kind of sweet. I want to say maybe seductive a little bit, but... Okay, I'll go ahead and tell you. I can't figure out what that is, but that smells really good. It smells really, really good. Balm smells just a little bit lighter, but it's there. Now I heard that he has a firmer holding balm, so it'll be interesting to try that. I haven't tried a real firm one other than that, I think some beard wax I've tried before. Let's check out these samples. Might be a little bit longer video than I intended because I got another package to open up for y'all. Whoa. Cap's a little loose on that one. Alright. Okay. Now, memoirs. Memoirs. Let's smell this here. Is that... You gotta be kidding me. Is that like a... That is too cool. That is too cool. Ooh. Oh my God, man. That reminds me of something. Oh man, I promised myself I wasn't going to order anymore yet. Darn it, Adam. Alright, humidor. The humidor. I'm going to smell this one too. A little pop cap. Man, I can't get the smell of memoirs off my fingers. Ooh, that's nice too. Mmm. Has that got bourbon in it? Humidor. That smells good. That smells really good. I don't know none of the profiles on none of these. This is all just first impressions, but I'm assuming that's kind of a cigar scent, but it smells like it's got a bit of bourbon in it. Memoirs, I have no idea. I'll have to ask. But that was my unpackaging for Honyocker. Now, the second package that we're going to get into, it was kind of like a promotional deal for Live Bearded. They were having, you buy the like a True Beardsman kit, and you get a free oil and comb, I guess the exact same one. So I haven't tried Live Bearded yet. I've been wanting to. So let's check it out. Now, one thing I did notice is that these packages here were just kind of glued, and this is how I got it. All right, I'm surprised nothing fell out of it. But you see it's stuffed full of things. So I always like to pull out the little card stuff here first. Live Bearded greeting card here, I would call it. Nice little thing there. Yeah, I'm not going to read that. Looks like the beard comb. Oil. Their triple threat wash, I guess. Yeah, wash. My other oil. A really big sticker. And their butter. And I did pick the executive scent in all of these. So I've been buying some different combs and things here lately that I've been trying out, trying to figure out which one's going to work best for me. So let's check out the Live Bearded Premium Beard Comb, as it says here. So there's that. It's got the beard on the side. I don't know. I probably could snap this, but I'm not going to because I like that style. Looks like it's got different levels of teeth here, but there's still long teeth. Nicely spaced apart. So, let's give these oils a smell. Alright, so what we got going on here? It has the seal. Now, I'm not going to go over the butter and everything. I'm just going to go over the scent on this one. Alright. Now this is the leather, vanilla, and cedar in the executive scent. Oh, that is a good scent. Each one of those go toe to toe together. It's a really fresh, it's a really clean scent. Almost cologne-ish. I like that. I'm gonna be glad to get that one in beard as well. Go ahead and check out their butter here. The bearded butter, deep conditioning, light to medium hold. It's got a little the sound of freshness. It looks smooth. Same scent. I am getting a bit of the carrier in it though. It kind of offsets the scent a little. I probably won't notice that when I get it in beard. And then the triple threat wash. Oh yeah, yeah. That's real clean and fresh. It seems a little different, but yet the same. It seems like one is more than the other. I get more of the leather in this, I do believe. So that is an awesome scent. Live bearded. All right. Thank you, Adam. And thanks, guys, over at Live Bearded.